Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, touring suspension, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.